أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful.
القارعة
The striking disaster.
ما القارعة
What is the striking disaster?
وما أدراك ما القارعة
And what will make you realize what the striking disaster is?
يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث
It is the day people will be like scattered moths,
وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش
and the mountains will be like fluffed up wool.
فأما من ثقلت موازينه
So as for those whose scale is heavy with good deeds,
فهو في عيشة راضية
they will be in a life of bliss.
وأما من خفت موازينه
And as for those whose scale is light,
فأمه هاوية
their home will be the abyss.
وما أدراك ما هي
And what will make you realize what that is?
نار حامية
It is a scorching fire.